Okay, good morning, Platoon 6. Where are the others? Where are your friends? One, two, three, four. Yanin, Sonira, May, Alita. Okay, we can start. Alita, Sonira, Yanin, and May. Are you ready?
Yeah, I ready.
Yeah.
Okay, so waiting for the others, we can start our lesson for today. Can you see my slide? Okay, what is our lesson? Alita, can you read?
Friends in the school.
Okay, good. Places in the school. Okay, so today we will consider different places in our school. Okay, so let's start with our vocabulary. And the first word is, let me paint it. Okay, what is that?
Cooking เหรอ teacher?
Cooking. It's a place.
อะไรอ่ะ
It's a place where you cook, you eat. Okay. Can you guess? Let me click this one.
Canteen.
Canteen. Okay, so this one is the canteen. Can you say it? Canteen.
Canteen.
Yes. Can you spell canteen? C again, please, louder. C.
C-A-N-T-E-N.
Canteen.
Canteen.
Okay, so that one is
Canteen.
canteen. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Okay, so what place is this in your school?
ดาวอิงเหรอ teacher?
Yeah, it's a place where you do the drawing. Okay, drawing. We call this one
Art room.
art room. Okay, art room, where you do the drawing. Okay, can you spell art room?
A-R-T-R-O-O-M.
Okay, so That is easy. A-R-T-R-O-O-M. Art room. This is the place where you can draw, paint, and do everything, okay, with arts. Okay, so that's why we call it art room.
Art room.
Okay, now let's go to the next vocab. This one is, what place is this in our school?
Room.
Yeah, it's a room. But we call it
Classroom.
classroom. Okay, so this one
Classroom.
is classroom. Can you say it?
Classroom.
Okay.
Classroom.
Classroom. Can you spell classroom?
C-L-A-S-S-R-O-O-M.
Very good. So C-L-A-S-S-R-O-O-M.
Room.
Classroom. Okay, very good. Now, let's go to the next word. And this is, what place in school?
What?
Yes, you say basketball. So what place is this in our school?
Sport room.
Sport room? We call it the gym. Okay?
Gym.
Yeah, the gym. It's a place where you can play ball games, okay, like basketball, volleyball. Okay, so we call it gym.
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 Okay, it's easy to spell. Can you spell it, May? Sonira, Alita. G-Y-M.
Gym.
Gym. Okay, so let's go to the next place in the school. And this is, what room is this in the school? This is?
Assembly room.
Assembly room, okay? Assembly room, or we call it meeting room. Okay? Meeting room. Now, can you spell meeting room? Meeting room.
M-E-I-T-I-O-O-M.
Okay, good. So that is meeting room. Okay, good. Now, next, we have what another place in our school. Okay, this is, what do you call this place in the school?
Hallway.
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 Yes.
Hallway.
Hallway. Now, can you spell hallway?
H-A-L-L-W-A-Y.
Okay, so H-A-L-L-W-A-Y.
Hallway.
And that is?
Hallway.
Hallway. Okay. Now, next. What place is this in the school?
Computer room, sir.
Computer room.
Wow, very good.
Computer room.
Yes, that is computer room. Now, can we spell computer room?
C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R-R-O-M.
Very good. So, computer room, there you can have computers, and you can search, you can play, you can do your homework in the computer room. Okay, very good. Now let's go to the next place in the school, and that is
Music room.
Very good. Okay.
Music room.
Music room. You can see drums, guitars, piano, trumpet, and many music instruments. Yes. Sibas, okay? So we call this one music room. This is the place, one place in the school. Now, let's spell music room.
MUSICROOM.
Very good. And that is
Music room.
yes, music room. Okay, very good. Now, let's go to the next place in the school. And that is? What
Library.
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 Yes, very good. That is the library. You can read books. We have a lot of books inside our library. This is the study room. It's a room where we study. And we call it?
Library.
Library. Okay, can you spell library?
LIBRARY.
Okay.
Library.
Library. Very good, student. Okay, now we are ready for the next place in the school. And that is? What do you call this one? Outside the room. And we can play. We call this one?
Playground.
Playground. Okay. Playground. Sanam. What do you call this in Thai? It's a playground. Okay. It's a place where the student or the kids, the children play. Playground. Okay.
Playground. Playground.
Okay. Can we spell playground?
PLAYGROUND.
Very good. Okay. That is?
Playground.
Playground. And next, what place is this in the school?
Toilet.
Very good.
Toilets.
Okay. Very good. It's a toilet. Okay. Can we spell toilet?
TOILET.
Toilets.
Toilet. Okay, good. Okay, good. So those are the places in the school. We have 15. Okay. We have 15 places in the school, and they are toilet, okay, playground. What is this?
Library.
Library.
Music room.
Music room.
Computer room.
Yes, computer room.
Hallway.
Hallway.
Meeting room.
Meeting room.
Gym.
Gym.
Classroom. Classroom.
Classroom.
Art room.
Art room.
Canteen.
Canteen. Very good. And those are our vocabulary. Yes, that's our vocabulary for today. Now, we're going to use our, what do you call this one? Structure, okay? So we have here the structures. Number one, where are
you going?
you going? Okay, where are you going? So you say, I am going to the
toilet.
Toilet. Very good. Okay. So, Alita, where are you going?
I am going to the art room.
Wow, Alita is going to the art room. Very good. Okay. Sonira, where are you going?
I am going to the canteen.
Yes, okay. Sonira wants to go to the canteen. Okay, maybe she's hungry and wants to eat. Okay, now, Yanin, answer teacher, where are you going?
I am going to the music room.
Yes, Yanin will go to the music room to play guitar. Okay,
Guitar.
teacher will go to the music room and is going to play guitar. Yes, okay, so Yani wants to go to the music room. May, where are you going?
I am going to the classroom.
Yes, May is going to the classroom. Okay, he wants to study. Okay, so very good. Now, the next one is teacher will ask you, are you going to the toilet? Or you can answer me, yes, I am. Or you say, no, I'm not. Okay, ready? Okay, I want to call on Yanin. Yanin, are you going to the gym?
No, I am not.
Yes, no, I am not. Okay. Alita, are you going to the meeting room?
Yes, I am.
Wow, very good. May, are you going to the playground?
No, I am not.
No, I'm not. Okay. And Sonira, are you going to the canteen?
Yes, I am.
Yes. Okay. So Sonira is hungry. Okay. So we can use this structure 1 and 2 to ask our friend. Okay. So Sonira, you ask where are you going, and Alita will answer I am going to. Okay. So Sonira,
Where are you going?
Alita.
Tutor.
Yes.
I am going to the classroom.
Classroom. Okay. Then Alita, you also ask where are you going? Okay.
ให้หมิวพูดว่า where are you going อ่ะ
ถามไปสอบ
Where are you going?
Okay. Who will answer? May.
ไม่ตอบ
I am going to the music room.
Music room. Okay, very good. Okay. Now let's try number 2. Okay. Are you going to the? Then yes, I am, or no, I'm not. Okay. I will ask Yanin. Yanin.
ลองถาม
Yanin, are you going to the? Okay. Ready?
Are you going to the gym?
Who will answer? Sonira.
No, I am not.
Wow, very good. Okay, Sonira, okay, you ask the question.
Are you going to the meeting room?
Who will answer? Alita.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am. Okay, so very good. Now you know how to use our sentence structure. Very good. Now, I am going to give you our activity. Okay, we have activity for today. And this is the places in the school. Okay, so when you look at the picture, we have here word search. Okay, so find the places and copy them in the crossword below according to the definition. Okay, example. What place is this in the school?
Classroom.
Classroom. Okay, so you need to look for classroom. Where is the classroom? Classroom, where are you? Can you help me? Where? Where is the classroom? Classroom, where are you?
แล้วมันอยู่ตรงนี้
ถ้ามันอยู่ตรงนี้อ่ะ
ใช่ใช่เห็นป่ะถ้าตัว K แล้วก็ตัว C แล้วก็ลงมาเป็นแนวตรงนี้
แนวตั้งลงมา
This one, right?
ใช่
Yeah, C L
A
S S R O M. Wow, very good. Okay, that is the classroom. Okay, I will change. I want the big. This one. Woohoo. Classroom. 3L. OOM, classroom. Okay. Oh. Okay, classroom. Next, what place is this in the school?
Gym.
Gym. G-Y-M. Gym. Where are you? Gym.
ที่เชื่อตรงนั้นอ่ะ GYM อ่ะเป็นแนวตั้งข้างล่าง GYM GYM นี่ข้างล่างตรง EUM แล้วก็ GYM นั่นน่ะ
EUM G นี่เหรอ No
ฝั่งนี้ที่เชื่อมันอยู่ฝั่งนี้
left or this one, right?
นั่นแหละที่เชื่อ
GYM
Okay, GYM. Okay, gym. Okay. That is the gym. Okay, how about this one?
Hallway.
Okay, where is hallway? HALLWAY. Hallway. Hallway, where are you? Hallway. Here. HALLWAY. Hallway. Yes. Okay. How about this one?
Library.
Where is library?
ตรงนั้นที่เชื่อตรงข้างล่างอันที่สามตรงนั้นน่ะแต่บอกไม่ได้อะภาษาอังกฤษไม่รู้อะใช่
Here.
ตรงนั้นน่ะนี่ไง
LIBRARY. Okay. Library. Okay. Now this one.
Computer room.
Where is it? C O. No. This one is not a computer room. This is a science lab. Okay, this one science. Okay, science lab. Okay. Science lab. Okay. Next, this one. I don't know this one. This is the Staff room. Okay. This is the staff room. Okay, next, this one. You know this one? Playground. Okay, where is the
Yeah.
playground?
Good gym อ่ะข้างบนอ่ะ
จิมคือข้าง
Playground.
บนดิ
Huh?
อันนี้
Where?
นั่นนี่ P
แนวนอน
L
อ่ะ
เนี่ย
This one. Okay. P L
L
A G R O U N D. Playground. Okay, next, this one. Canteen.
canteen
Where is canteen?
นี่ถ้าตรงนั้นอะ canteen ข้างบ
Where?
นแถว2อะนั่นอะ
Okay, so this one is C A N T E E N. Canteen. Okay, very good. So we have canteen, we have playground, we have library, hallway, gym, classroom. Okay, these two is the science lab and the staff room. Okay, I did not give you these two. Okay, so let's use the structure. Okay, are you going to the, what is this?
Are you going to the highway?
Okay, are you going to the hallway?
Yes,
Yes, I am. Okay, how about this one? Where are you going? Where are you going? I am going.
going to the canteen.
Okay. Where are you going?
I am
Going to the
canteen.
library. Okay. Where are you going?
I am going to the
gym.
gym.
Very good. And the last one, where are you going?
I am
I
going
am
to
going to the classroom.
Okay, very good. So that is our activity for today. Okay, so we do the word search. Now, last one before we go, I will give you the worksheet. Okay, so this is our worksheet for today. And answer the crossword. Okay, we will answer the crossword down and across, down and across. Okay, so number one, student attend most of the lessons here. What do you call the room that you study your lesson? What room where you study your lesson? We call it classroom. Okay, number one. Where is number one? There. Okay, so you can write it C. Okay, wait. You use it. Text. Okay, so here we can write it C.
L.
This one is L. Okay, L. Then
A.
Very good. A. Then S. Wow. S. Then S. Wow. Very good. Then
R.
Wow. R. Okay. Then
O.
Wow. Very good. And then
O.
wow. Good. Okay. Then
M.
M.
M. Wow, very good. So that is
Classroom.
classroom. Okay, so this is classroom. Okay, so this is the student attend most of the lessons here. Okay, next, number 3. Student make experiment here. Student make experiment here. This is science lab. Okay, teacher will give it to you. Okay, S-C-I-E. Then we have E-N. Science. C. We have E. Science lab. Okay. L. Then we have A. Okay. And we have B. That is science lab. Okay. Good. Okay. So we have 2 already. Now, next. Student have lunch or snack here. Where do we eat? What place in the school? Where do we eat? Canteen. Okay, very good. Where is number 6? Here. Okay, spell canteen.
C-A-N. C-E-E-N.
A. What else?
N.
N.
T.
T. Very good.
E-E-N.
Oh, there. E. T-E. Then we have another E, right? Okay, then N. Okay. Canteen. Okay, canteen is the student have lunch or snack here. Now, number 8. Student play indoor sports in this place. Indoor. Okay, number 8. This one.
Gym.
What? Gym. Okay, so
G-Y-M.
Okay, very good. Y. And we have M. Okay, gym. Okay, gym is an indoor sport. Okay, in this place. Okay, now we'll go across. Okay, across. Number 2, students have their lockers in this place.
Hallway.
Hallway. Oh, wow, very good. Okay, so H.
A.
A. A. Then
L.
L. Wow, good. L. Then
L.
L. We have L already. This is
W.
W. Then
A-Y.
A.
Y.
Then Y. Wow, good. Y. Okay, hallway. Very good. Number 4. Teachers meet and have a rest here.
Meeting room.
No, rest. That is the staff room. Okay. Staff. Okay, staff room. Okay. Teacher did not give you this one. Okay. Staff room. F R O M. Okay, staff room. Okay, next. Student can read books and magazines here.
Library.
Library. Okay, how do we spell library?
L.
I.
B.
D. R.
A.
A.
Y.
R.
Y.
Then Y. Okay, library. Very good. Now, we have the last one. Student play here during the breaks.
Playground.
Playground. Okay. How do we spell playground?
L-A-Y. A-A-Y.
L.
A.
A.
Y.
Y.
G.
G.
R.
R.
O.
O.
U.
U.
U. Wow. N.
D.
D. Playground. Okay. Very good. Okay. So that is our lesson for today. Okay. So very good. Now, before we go, would like to thank you for joining our lesson for today about the places in the school. Okay, open your camera. Open your camera. Teacher will take a photo. Open your camera. Open.นี่ประยุทธ์มีแล้ว อลิต้าเป็นประยุทธ์ Okay. Open your camera.
เชื่อบอกให้เปิดกล้องเพื่อน
เปิดก่อน
ๆถ้า
ดิ
เปิดก่อนดิ เปิดก่อนเลย
Go.
เปิดก่อน
One, two, three. Open.
ค่อยเปิดเปิดเร็วถ้าเปิด
Okay. Open it. Open.
ไม่เคยเปิด
เปิดกล้องก็เปิดกันก่อนเดี๋ยวเราเปิดตาม
Before we say bye-bye, open your camera. Open your camera.
เปิดกล้องเดี๋ยวเราค่อยเปิดอ่ะก็เปิดก่อนดิ เปิดก่อนดิกูไม่กล้าเปิดว่ะกูไม่กล้าเปิดอ่ะแม่งเปิดแล้วอ่ะ
Tonira. Yani.